Hello everyone, my name is Anwar.
And this is Jose, and we'll be talking about Lab 12, Mitigation and Deterrent Techniques, AntiForensic. We will be analyzing Windows event logs. Also, we'll be changing the audit policies of the system in order to log more information. Lastly, acting as an attacker, logs will be cleared.
Let's get started.
Enter password. Now go to the start menu. Start menu right now. Click on Administrative Tools. We're going to go ahead and click on Event Viewer. Next, we're going to find security, and save log file as security plus. After we're done typing security plus, it's going to be saved at the desktop with a .text format. Okay, click save. Now
Okay.
we're going to clear all events and say no. After that, gonna minimize it, minimize the window. Now to the command prompt and enter the following command.
Okay, we're done with that. Click the start button and select all program, administrative tools, event viewer. Double click security log. Account management. 52. And we're gonna go ahead and copy that. Individual events can be copied by clicking copy button. Name the document. I'm gonna go to desktop. So we're done with the examining the window event viewer. We're gonna start enabling the add-in. Navigate the following location within the group policy. So view policy and secure setting in right panel. Notice outerlink is on for successful login event, not logon failure. So we're gonna log off. We're gonna try to incorrect password. And then we're gonna do the click start, go up to run and tap event viewer. So if you see none are present, no failure appear. We're gonna navigate the following location, domain control, security policy, other policy. View the policy and security setting in the right panel. Then the policy setting will be changed to success, failure. Then we're gonna upgrade. Those are the two items. Okay. Now,
Now that we're in Backtrack 5, we're going to be entering the following commands. Type them just as entered and follow along. You can pause it. For the sake of time, I had to speed it up a little bit, but you can always pause it. The log has been cleared, it says right here. So now enter the following command. And that's it. This concludes lab 12.